If you are looking for how to insert 6 pictures in Word with same size, so how you can do that? So first go to the insert and click on the table and select 3 by 2 table. And now click inside the first column and go to the insert and click on the picture. Click on the this device. Select the picture which you want to insert. Click OK. Now click on the picture and on the picture format give the size to 1.5 and hit enter. And now Control C and Control V to paste in all 6 columns. And now drag it to the make some adjustment and resize it. And now click on this 4-side arrow and go to the paragraph under the home section. Click on this arrow and click no border and click on this Control E for center align. And now you can see that all 6 pictures are inserted in the Word document with the same size. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.